Guys, if your keyboard, PC, gaming setup, or car interior is covered in dust again, don't worry. Today I've got the 6 most powerful air duster deals on Amazon, with discounts up to 36%. And before we start, make sure to subscribe. I share crazy Amazon deals like these every single day. Now let's see which ones are actually worth buying. Let's jump right in. First up, our first product today is the Fresmold Electric Air Duster, now at a massive 36% off, dropping from $39.99 to just $25 here if your keyboard, PC case, or gaming setup is covered in dust. This little beast is going to be your new favorite cleaning tool. It blasts up to 100, 0 to 0 RPM of air power with 3 adjustable speeds, perfect for keyboards, consoles, carvant, and tight corners. And the built-in LED light helps you spot hidden dust in dark spots. It's fully rechargeable, lightweight, and replaces those expensive compressed air cans forever. For fast, powerful, and affordable cleaning, this is one of the best deals you'll find today. Link below, don't miss it. Next up, our second product today is the Wolfbox MF100, a super-powered 150 Susuro RPM electric air duster that's now 27% off, dropping from $9.99 to just $79.99. This thing is an absolute monster when it comes to blasting away dust. The brushless motor delivers insane airflow, and with its 3 adjustable speed levels, you can clean everything from keyboards and PC parts to car interiors and outdoor gear with no effort at all. It's durable, rechargeable, and built to last with a long runtime for large cleaning jobs. If you need maximum power for deep cleaning, this is easily one of the strongest air dusters on Amazon right now. Link below. Grab it while the deal is still live. Moving on, our third product today is the Wolfbox MF200, now 23% off, dropping from $129.99 to just $99.99. This one stands out because it comes with a removable battery, making it perfect for long cleaning sessions or swapping batteries on the go. With its strong airflow and 3-speed adjustable power, you can easily clean keyboards, PC parts, car interiors, and even outdoor gear. It also includes multiple nozzles, giving you the flexibility to handle tight corners, vents, fans, and delicate electronics if you want power, portability, and long-lasting performance in one device. The MF200 is a top pick. Link below. Grab it while the deal lasts. Next up, our fourth product today is the Kajiwiru Electric Air Duster, now 23% off, dropping from $29.99 to just $22.99. This compact cleaner pushes an impressive 130 0 RPM of power, giving you strong airflow in a small and lightweight design. With its 3 adjustable speed levels and built-in LED light, you can easily clean keyboards, PC parts, car interiors, and tight, dark spaces where dust hides the most. It's fully rechargeable, energy efficient, and perfect for everyday home and office cleaning. If you want a powerful and affordable air duster without spending too much, this one is definitely worth grabbing. Link below, don't miss the deal. Coming up next, our fifth product today is the Zoe IVR Electric Air Duster, now 20% off, dropping from $49.99 to just $39.99. This model delivers a powerful 130 0 RPM airflow with 4 adjustable speed levels, giving you full control for light cleaning or deep dust removal. It features a long-lasting 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, making it perfect for cleaning keyboards, PC components, car interiors, and home appliances without constantly recharging. The included nozzles help you reach tight corners and delicate electronics with ease. If you need strong power, long battery life, and great versatility, this deal is definitely worth checking out. Link below. Grab it while it's on sale. And finally, our sixth product today is the Fantic B10 Pro Max, now 20% off, dropping from $99.99 to just $79.99. This premium air duster pushes an impressive 130 0 RPM with a high-efficiency brushless motor and 6 adjustable speed levels, giving you precise control for any type of cleaning. It features a large 28 8WH rechargeable battery, delivering extended runtime for cleaning PC cases, fans, car interiors, and even outdoor gear. The one-tap turbo booster adds extra power when you need it most, making deep cleaning easier than ever. If you want top-tier performance with extended battery life, this is one of the best high-end options on Amazon. Link below. Don't miss this deal. Don't miss Amazon's daily deals. Hit subscribe and stay updated with the best discounts every single day. And if you want a specific product, just drop a comment below. I'll find you the best price.